Today on the Rustic Rose, summer ghosts are on the loose. Stay tuned. Rustic Rose, spooky but it's still decor.
Want to come on here real quick and show you something that I picked up last year, but I never got to post it or make a video about it. So anyway, I thought I'd bring it out and show you what I picked up last year. So if you're ready, here we go. This is it, friends. Isn't it cute? I want to bring it in close so you can see this cute little ghost that I found. But anywho, friends, it didn't look like this at all. So I brought it home and made it my own. I went ahead and elevated it. The hat was a totally different color. I didn't like the hat, so I went ahead and redid the hat. Pretty much redid the whole thing. But the reason why I want to share this with you, friends, is because sometimes as crafters, we kind of goof up or make a mistake, and though it's kind of scary because we think, oh my gosh, I just ruined my project. But in fact, you really didn't. You just have to just take a deep breath, sit back for a little bit, even push it to the side and think about it for a little bit and think about, okay, how can I fix this? So before I go any further, let me tell you what it is that I did. So after my project was almost all the way done, I went around it with a little Sharpie pen or a little marker, like permanent marker, and I went all the way around the edges just to give it some dimension. I don't know if you can see that. But anywho, friends, what happened right here is my pen got away from me and I made a mark on my project. And so I was really trying to beat myself up about it. And I thought, you know what, Rose? It's fixable. What do you tell your friends on social media? You can fix it. So I had to just push it to the side and think about it for a minute. So then I thought, you know what? Then it came to me. I thought, okay, so there's a line there. So Rose, what are you gonna do? Well, what Rose did was I added this little spider web on my little ghost. And that's all I did, friends. And it fixed the problem. I didn't have to repaint it. I didn't have to resand it. I didn't have to, I quit kicking myself and thinking, Rose, you can fix this. And that's all I did. And it turned out so cute. And so there is the mistake turned into a spider web. Anywho, friends, I just thought I'd come on here and share that with you, that little funny story, because as crafters, sometimes we think, oh, how am I gonna fix this? But anywho, friends, anything's fixable. It really is. It's just paint. You can start all over, but I didn't want to start all over, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna put a little spider web right there, and it's cute. Anywho, friends, I hope I've inspired you. I just wanted to share that with you, and I know right after 4th of July, it's gonna be full on Halloween, and of course fall and Christmas right behind it. Anywho, friends, I hope I've inspired you today to get crafty. And remember, there's always a solution to your goof up or your mess ups. Anywho, friends, and if I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to sprinkle me out. And until we see each other again, take care and bye-bye.